Why chauffeur-driven car rental is the best choice in India. Are you tired of dealing with the hassle of driving yourself or using ride-hailing apps when you need to get around in India? There's a better option, chauffeur-driven car rental. And here's why. When you're driving yourself, you have to deal with the stress of navigating unfamiliar roads, traffic jams, and parking. It can be exhausting, especially when it rains in cities in India, which is very common. Ride-hailing apps like Ola and Uber can just be frustrating. You never know if your driver will be on time and you have no control over the car itself. Safety is an issue and they could cancel your ride anytime. Don't forget the surge pricing which happens during the rush hours, the times when you actually need to get home safely. But with the chauffeur-driven car rental services, you get a professional driver who knows the city inside and out. They'll take you wherever you need to go and you can relax in the backseat and enjoy the ride. And when you rent Sudarshan cars, you get access to a fleet of luxurious cars that are regularly maintained and serviced. You'll arrive at your destination in style and comfort. Plus, when you're not driving, you can use the time to catch up on your work, make phone calls, or simply enjoy the scenery. And when you arrive at your destination, you'll make a great impression, whether it's a business meeting, a wedding, or a night out on the town. A chauffeur-driven car is the ultimate in style and convenience. And finally, when you're with your friends or family, you can enjoy the ride together without anyone having to worry about driving or directions.